popular animals that exist in the sea. Well, shark, squid, lobster, shell, stingray, dolphins, starfish, Nemo, grouper, crab, protecting the marine ecosystem is important for maintaining the delicate balance of the ocean's diverse species and preserving the health of the planet. Some ways to protect the marine ecosystem include reducing pollution, protecting wildlife and their habitats, responsible fishing practices, reducing carbon emissions, and conserving water resources. It is important for individuals, communities, and governments to work together to ensure the future health of the ocean and its inhabitants.